Hi, here we have a nice mathematical equation. 5 root 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 12 over 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 2 is equals to 5. Here we are going to find out the value of n. So let's start our solution. In the first step, I will going to use the radical property, that is n root a is equals to a to the power of 1 over n. So this will turn to 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 12 over 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 1 over 5 is equals to 5. In the next step, I will going to raise 5 both the sides. So this turn to 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 12 over 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 1 over 5 times 5 is equals to 5 to the power of 5. So here now 5 and this 5 get cancelled. So the remaining expression we will get 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 12 over 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 2 equals to 5 to the power of 5. Next, I will going to take this denominator to the right hand side. So this will turn to 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 12 is equals to 5 to the power of 5, 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 2. Now, in the next step, I will going to multiply this 5 to the power of 5 with this whole bracket. So this will turn to 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 12 is equals to 5 to the power of 5 times 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 5 times 5 to the power of 2. In the next step, I will going to change this 12th power in this form. 5 to the power of n plus 5 to the power of 5 plus 7 is equals to, here this 5 to the power of 5 times 5 to the power of n, I will going to write same as here. Now here we have the same basis, so we are going to apply the exponential rule, that is 5 to the power of 5 plus 2. So we can easily add up the power here. So the next expression we will get 5 to the power of n plus, this will turn to, here we have the exponential rule, a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m. So I was going to apply this here. This will turn to 5 to the power of 5 times 5 to the power of 7 is equals to 5 to the power of 5 times 5 to the power of n plus this will turn to 5 to the power of 7. Now I will going to take this 5 to the power of n to the right hand side and this 5 to the power of 7 to the left hand side. So this will turn to 5 to the power of 5 times 5 to the power of 7, and this will be negative 5 to the power of 7 is equals to 5 to the power of 5 times 5 to the power of n, and this will going to the right hand side, so this will turn to negative 5 to the power of n. Now I will going to take a common factor of 5 to the power of 7 here, because we have this and this common. So this 5 to the power of 5 minus 1 is equals to 5 to the power of n. I will going to take the common here. So here 5 to the power of 5 minus 1, bracket close. Now here this and this get cancelled. So the remaining expression we will get 5 to the power of 7 is equals to 5 to the power of n. Here I was going to use the exponential rule, that is a to the power of m is equals to a to the power of n. So here m is equals to n. Because we have the same basis, so we can equate the power. So same here, I was going to equate the power here. 7 is equals to n. So the value of n we find out, that is 7. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel.